Okay, got an AC not cooling here. Just pulled the cover off. Contactor is sucked in. So we've got an old capacitor, a little 3-port dual cap, been converted to a single cap. Looks like an old band cap was replaced here. Probably should be secured. Compressor's not too hot. That's a good sign. And then all the wiring looks okay. Maybe just the fuses. Maybe the fan motor quit. That's kind of my guess. Before I touch anything, gonna go ahead and grab the fuses here. Let's take a look. Fuses in there. Socket there. That's kind of weird. So we'll change these out. Start there, and I can retest these later with a multimeter set to continuity. Got some new fuses. So get those going. These two look pretty new. This post looks a little too far out. I'm going to squeeze that down. Make sure these get a good contact. Yeah. Nice and solid here. Wondering if our fan cap quit. Hoping the breaker's not off inside. Anyway, here goes plugging in the disconnect. Give you the view that way so you can see it. Anything funky going on. Contactor looks okay. Hard start looks okay. Looks like most of it's been rebuilt except for that capacitor. So here goes plugging it in. Let's see what happens. Nothing. So we must have flipped the breaker inside. Darn it. Okay. Check the breaker inside. It's actually a much cooler day today. Feels about 90 maybe. Nice and cool. In the morning it's about 8:30. So not too bad today. Little breeze going too. Glad for that. Okay, reset the breaker. Everything clicked on good. Feeling nice and chilly. That's good. You can see the level of the refrigerant right here. You can see where it's sweating. A little bit more down there. It may be low on refrigerant. Normally I like to see that along the whole line. Just by a visual test, and also this line should feel nice and cold. This actually helps keep the compressor full. I think we're a little low on Freon. You can see little bits of signs of moisture around here. Not real bad, but it's there. Oh yeah, there's our leak. You hear it? Yeah. It's on that high side Schrader valve. So we'll fix that up. Charge this puppy up. Back to normal. It's running for now. It'll bring a little bit of relief, but it's again low on Freon. Get this charged up and good to go. Go get my gear and charge it up. Grab a cable strap and tie this capacitor up too. You can hear it tapping against the cage, so if I can get rid of that old one too, make this better. Good day for it too. A little cooler, a little reprieve in the heat you've had. Got as high as 122 here. It's 122 the other day. Not much fun. Yeah, we're almost empty on refrigerant. fact, I might even pull it just so it doesn't overheat the compressor. Charge this up. Go ahead and pull it. Go get my gear. Get it going. I dumped a little cold water on the compressor because I didn't want it to get too hot right away. When I did it, you could hear it sizzling off already. That's how hot it was. Okay, get it going. Okay, got all my gear, got my gloves on. It's important to prevent frostbite here, especially when working with the Schrader valves, and most especially on the high side. So hopefully I can just repair this valve. May need to replace the Schrader valve. Have some special tools for all that. Got my Schrader valve core removal tool, and got my Schrader tool with the new Schrader valves inside it, similar to a bicycle tire deal. Anyway, let's pull this apart, take a look here. I can already feel the pressure in there, so it's already leaked in there a little bit. There's the O-ring. Oh, it's leaking pretty good. You can hear it. So let's see if we can repair this, and if not, replace it. Try to give you a good view here. So I'm trying to tighten it down. It was a little loose. Give it a little push and see if it seals off. It's hard to say there. Seems okay. Get a little closer and give it a little listen. Here. No, it's still leaking, just a tiny bit. Okay, so we're gonna replace the Schrader core. And since I'm doing this and I've got the disconnect pulled, it's a good idea to discharge the capacitor. So the disconnect's pulled. Okay. Okay. So this is a needed mention of a tool for replacing Schrader valves. You don't have to recover the charge. Twist this on. Insert the plunger. Locate your valve. And we'll twist out the Schrader valve. Takes a degree of feeling for it to know when the Schrader valve's out. Not always that easy to tell. Feels like it's there. Okay, and now we'll turn off the little port here. Remove the back cap. Hopefully our Schrader valve's inside there. Ah, nope, didn't get it. Sometimes it takes a couple runs. So reopen the valve. Again, gonna feel for that. Schrader valve. Come on, buddy, where are you? in there a little bit. This is not going to be an easy one. I may need to try to blast it out the back. Oh, jeez. It's getting hot too. Whew. So it's not going to be an easy one. So, there we go. Gotta drink some water here. It's getting blazing hot. Air conditioner. Miserable. Okay. I'm gonna try tighten this one back down. It's not going so good. Not having any luck here. This could be bad. Okay. Just go back to trying to repair the valve instead. Okay, I think we got it there. Between that and the cap, it should be good. I gotta hurry, get off this roof to prevent heat stroke. Take a listen here. Yeah, we're good there. So now I'm going to be hooking up my gauges and charging it up. We got the leak repaired.